yourself briefly?
Yes, sir. This is Sakshi Kumari, an MBA finance professional with over 3.5 years of experience with the bancassurance channel. Working with this channel gives me a good perspective about the banking and insurance industry. I have done my PGDM from Xavier Institute of Social Service Ranchi, complemented by Bachelor of Commerce. Working with the ICICI Prudential Life Insurance gave me a good perspective about the customer relationship management. That's all.
Are you still working or not working?
No, sir. Currently, I am not working.
But that is why you just told it 3.5 years experience. See, you could have told me that properly. That is, I worked from so and so to so and so date in that place.
Yes.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
कब रिजाइन किया आपने?
सर मैंने आईसीआईसीआई में सर 2022 में रिजाइन किया था एंड 21 में एंड 22 में मैंने मैक्स लाइफ ज्वाइन किया था. इट वाज विद एक्सिस बैंक.
Whatever it is, last 3 years you are not working.
Yes, sir.
Why were you not working all these 3 years?
Sir, actually there was some health issues and I was preparing for the government job.
Is it due to childbirth and all that?
No, sir. There was some cervical spondylitis.
Oh, then don't tell us health issue. I think I must have told you not
Yes,
to
sir.
tell health issue. Tell that you were preparing for exams because you resigned that job thinking that you will have a better options in other banks out. Say
Sir,
like
but in the application, I have already mentioned these things. I was not aware that I shouldn't mention these things.
no. I am telling you. You have mentioned about your
Yes, sir.
spondylitis.
No, sir. It was health issues or like that, and I have mentioned there that I have worked with the Max Life only 2.5 months.
That is okay. But did you mention health issues?
Sir, I didn't remember exactly. Might be, sir.
Is there any condition, any column for that? Why did you resign?
Reason of living, sir. It was mentioned the reason of living.
Acha. Okay, then accept it as it is. Tell them now you are better off.
Okay.
We can't change what has already happened, so we can try to frame our answers suitably. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, please choose one page number from 1 to 139.
Page number 5.
Why you are not aspiring for 100 marks, 95 marks, and all that?
Sir, you asking about the page number.
कोई बात नहीं. No, it's okay. Because page number 5 and all must have been discussed earlier. कोई बात नहीं. But I am not sure how is your luck. It depends on your luck. Mrs. Sakshi.
Yes, sir.
Please tell us how will you assess a Mudra loan application?
So Mudra loan basically stands for micro units development for refinance agency. And on the basis of Mudra loan, we give loan in 3 categories, mainly Shishu, Kishore, and Tarun. And the amount is being given is in the Shishu category it's 50,000. In Tarun category it's 50,000 to 5 lakhs, and in Kishore category it's 50,000 to 5 lakhs, and in Tarun category it's 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. And Tarun Plus has also been introduced, and the amount is more than 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs only. On the basis of Mudra, we can give these are the government initiatives which has been started in 2015, and the loan is being provided to the micro units, and for the That's all, sir.
What are the assessment criteria you will be looking into? पढ़ा नहीं है आप लोग, पढ़ता नहीं है.
Sir, not able to answer, sir.
Please read.
The key assessment criteria to assess a Mudra loan application, banks and financial institutions follow a structured evaluation process to ensure the borrower's eligibility and repayment capacity. Here, how it's typically done. Business key assessment criteria. Business plan. The applicant must present a viable business plan for a non-farm income generating activity in manufacturing, trading, or services. Farm loan category based on the funding needs. The loan is categorized as Shishu, Kishore, Tarun up to 50,000, and in Kishore 50,000 1 to 5 lakhs, and in Tarun 5 lakhs 1 to 10 lakhs.
I think I should add Tarun plus also. Let it
Yes.
be there. Next, credit history.
While Mudra loans do not require a CIBIL score, banks check for any past default, repayment capacity, income projections, existing liabilities, and business cash flow are analyzed. Collateral. No collateral is required, but banks may ask for quotation or invoices for equipment or service to be financed. Documents reviewed, proof of identity and address. Business registration or license. Bank statement, usually 6 months. Income tax returns, if applicable. Quotation for machinery or equipment. Passport size photographs. Monitoring post-sanction, banks may conduct periodic review of business performance. Utilization of funds is tracked to ensure they are used for the stated purpose. Repayment behavior is monitored to maintain credit discipline.
Yeah, very good. You told correct. You read it correctly. Very nice. Now let me go for other questions for you. Madam, please tell me what is goodwill?
So goodwill is an intangible assets, and it's mentioned in the asset side of the balance sheet.
Now, can you tell me difference between amortization and depreciation?
Depreciation is reduction in value of fixed assets. It may be due to use and all. Mainly two methods is there for depreciation: fixed assets and written down value method. It's written off for intangible assets like it's depreciation is mainly written off for fixed assets, and amortization is basically applied to the intangible assets like patent, copyrights, trademarks.
Good. Now, please tell me what is funds flow statement and cash flow statement.
Yes.
Also, tell me what we will see in both the statement while sanctioning.
Yes, sir. So cash flow mainly tells about the what is the actual inflow and outflow of funds. What's the fund business is generating from operating activities, which is mainly involves the general business of the general business, and investing activities and financing activities. In cash flow from cash flow statement, uh, we can find out it's mainly shows the actual position of the business, cash flow position, and in fund flow statement we we compare the balance sheet of 2 financial year, and it shows the sources on application of fund, from where the fund is coming and where the fund is going. For business loan purpose, this both statement is used, but cash flow is mainly shows good efficiency of the business as compared to fund flow statement.
But both the statements give bankers different but complementary perspectives on a business's financial health during the loan or credit sanctioning process. I will ask you to read this one, which is a small one. Yeah, this small portion, summary table,
Yes.
aspect, funds flow, cash flow. Please read.
Aspect of fund flow statement and cash flow statement. Purpose, long-term financial planning, sources or uses of funds. Cash flow statement, liquidity, cash management, ability to meet short-term obligations. Fund flow statement used for working capital, project finance, overall stability. And cash flow is used for day-to-day operations, loan repayment ability. Focus of fund flow is sufficient funds for future project needs, prudent utilization. And for cash flow statement, positive cash from operation, cash availability.
Please read this, both
Both
statements.
statements give bankers different but complementary perspectives on a business financial health during the loan or credit sanctioning process.
Very good. Good. Now we will go for the next one. What are the points you need to check apart from financials while assessing the proposal?
So we will look after the repayment capacity of the business, like liquidity ratio, where we will see about the current ratio. What is the current status of the business? How
No,
much
no.
current assets?
Listen. What points need to be checked apart from financials?
Sir,
Financials will include all your ratios, repayment capacity, non-repayment capacity, वगैरह वगैरह. उसका अलावा क्या क्या देखना है?
we will look after the CIBIL score. Apart from CIBIL score, we will look the industry trends, sir. What are the trends? And that's all.
Due diligence. What will you do under due diligence?
Sir, we will diligently look, like we will minutely look after the business, what business the company is doing.
I think this question has been asked many times for many people, and थोड़ा और भी अच्छा बात करना है इसके लिए.
Yes, sir.
Which is a good title of title deeds and goods receipts? I don't know what is the whether the candidate has given the question wrongly or it has appeared like this. What is a good title deed?
Sorry, I'm not remembering exactly.
Good title deed means, say, a sale deed document giving full rights to the owner of the property who is approaching us for facilities. And the title deeds verification is done by the lawyer, and lawyer also does the he also does the question of verification of encumbrance over the property. He is doing the encumbrance over the property also. Yeah. So then and normally banks take an encumbrance for 12 to 13 years. Some banks like ICICI Bank, they do it for 30 long years.
Okay.
Then goods receipts. Normally a goods receipt is a warehouse receipt given by a warehouse for having stored the goods. The other goods receipt is LR, lorry receipt, or railway receipt, through which the goods are being transported. Okay?
Okay, sir.
How will you check the capacity and production of a plant and machinery?
Capacity and so once again, capacity and
Production.
Sir, why the amount of depreciation machinery is being charged? useful life of the asset,
Mm,
and how much units of production is being done from that particular machinery.
mm, mm. This is a very technical question, of course, but they have asked in one of the interviews. The answer for that, mm, 1 minute, where is it? Is it this one? Yeah.
Yes. Machine hour capacity.
To check capacity, please read.
Yes, sir. To check capacity and production of a plant and its machinery, a structured approach is followed, typically using a combination of technical data, process observation, and production records. Checking plant and machinery capacity, machine hour capacity. Calculate total potential running hours for all machines. Formulas: machine hour capacity is equal to number of usable machines into hours employee can use machine per day. Production rate: for each machine, determine its output rate using manufacturer specs or historical performance. Bottleneck analysis: identify the slowest machine process as it limits overall plant capacity. The plant's capacity cannot exceed that of the bottleneck. Production mix calculation: if producing multiple products, calculate the weighted capacity for each by allocating machine time proportionally. Weighted capacity is equal to summation of production rate for product into allocated time. Effective capacity: deduct non-productive hours, setup, cleaning, maintenance from total available hours to get to production capacity. Checking actual production. Production records: examine actual historical output recorded in production logs or ERP system. Efficiency tracking: calculate actual production. Actual production is equal to summation of production rate into time allocated per product. Compare with capacity. Match actual production with calculated capacity to check utilization and identify gaps. Assessment for loan or technical evaluation. When sanctioning loans or technically evaluating a plant, ask for installed capacity certificates, technical specs, machine purchase documents, review production logs, monthly or yearly output data, and utility consumption records. Conduct site visits, if possible, to observe operations and verify equipment. Consider seasonality and downtime. Ensure the claim capacity matches realistic production scenarios. If unable to visit, request product-wise machine output per hour per day, details of bottlenecks, utility or maintenance records, digital dashboard screenshots, or ERP reports if available. Always corroborate documentary or technical evidence with actual output data. Cross-check assumptions with bottleneck and effective production analysis for reliability in capacity or project assessment. This ensures an accurate and practical evaluation for credit or technical sanction.
Good. Very good. 1 minute. What is Banking Regulation Act? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is Banking Regulation Act?
So, Banking Regulation Act 1949 basically tells about the rules and regulations according to which bank has to comply with.
Can you tell some important sections of Banking Regulation Act?
Sir, important sections I am not able to recall right now.
So far, I have not asked this question, but
Yes.
something prompts me it is better we go through this also. It is my mistake. Last 14 days, I have never asked this. Now, please go through this.
Section
Key
6
section. No, read.
key sections for bank functioning. Section 6 defines the types of business banking companies can undertake: lending, dealing in bills of exchange, guarantee business. Section 8 prohibits trading activities by banks except when selling placed goods. Section 10 regulates bank management, including restrictions on employment and director requirements. Section 11 sets minimum paid up capital and reserve requirement for banks. Section 18 mandates maintenance of cash reserve. Section 19 restricts formation of subsidiary companies by bank. Section 20 prohibits loans against own shares and restrict loans to directors or entities in which directors have interest. Section 21 empowers RBI to control advances, including policies, purpose, limits, and rates. Section 22 requires licensing of bank companies by RBI to commence or carry on banking business. Section 23 restricts opening and transfer of branches, requires RBI approval. Section 24 mandates maintenance of a specified percentage of liquid assets. Section 26 banks must report
Specified.
unclaimed deposits. Section 29 to 1330 deals with prescribes preparation of accounts, balance sheets, and audit requirements. Section 35 deals with RBI's power to inspect banking companies. Section 35A, RBI's power to issue directions to bank. Section 36, further powers and functions of RBI in regulating banking companies. Section 44A covers amalgamation of banking companies. Section 45, RBI's power to initiate reconstitution or suspension of banking companies in difficulty.
Please read this also. Why
these sections matter? They collectively ensure proper and safe business practices, fitness and soundness of business management, financial discipline, regulatory supervision, customer protection, prudential lending, stability and compliance with RBI instructions. Every bank, Indian bank, must strictly adhere to these provisions. They form the backbone of regulatory governance under which scheduled and non-scheduled banks operate, ensuring financial stability, transparency, and customer safety.
Good, very good. Yeah, now that is that much for that one. Do you have any questions to ask? How do you feel about today's interview for you? Tell me.
Sir, I should have more confidence and knowledge.
Why you have kids to take care of at home?
No, sir.
Then how long? Acha, you have been preparing, no problem. Practice talking about them. Your interview is on which date?
Sir,
21st or
19th, sir. 19th.
19th. Very good. 19th means you have time. One more
Tuesday.
day is
Yes,
one
sir.
more
Tuesday.
day is there. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. For you, the only plus point is confidence.
Okay.
At least you are smiling when you come. That's because you don't have that fear or shyness which is normally present in unmarried girls.
Okay.
That is not there in you. That's a plus point. Please capitalize on that and try to answer properly. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Good.
sir.
Do you have any questions to ask? No.
No, sir.
Have you collected all the documents and all properly? 10th
Yes,
class,
sir.
12th class,
Yes,
mark
sir. I have
sheet?
collected. Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Yes. You wanted to ask something? You had some doubt?
Yes, sir. Like sometimes if I have knowledge also, but I am not able to communicate the things in the
Tell
way I
them
should.
that you don't know. Tell them I don't know. Nothing wrong. Arey bhai, now I have been teaching it for 5 years.
Yes, sir.
Very same thing. But sometimes certain things are not that very comfortable for me. For example, yesterday I was conducting interview for one of the girls here. What is her name? Yatrika. No. Yamini. Yeah, there was a question on what is that? Capital budgeting and all. It was not that very easy. Similarly, why I came to Banking Regulation Act, it is because of the question that came for this girl, section 20. So that is why. So whatever you know, you accept it. Whatever you don't know, you tell them you don't. I don't remember it. But go with confidence that you are remembering everything.
Yes, sir.
What is 19 square?
19 square. Okay, 361. I thought there is some concept on 19 square.
You thought I am asking some banking question?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Best wishes. God bless you. Thank
Thank you, sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. First class. Thank you. Now, who has come now?